Oh, here we are with a Wreckfest banger race. It looks a little bit like the Tumbler. So we're gonna go Christian Bale, Batman voice, in the blue Tumbler. Would you like me to get the Batmobile ready, Master Wayne? Or something a little less conspicuous? Swear to me, where's Rachel? Oh, takes out the white car. Oh, right into the wall. I got a gravelly voice 'cause I'm Batman. Christian Bale's still my favorite Batman. Sorry, Michael Keaton. Oh, straight into the wall. But I'm still enjoying it. This is one of my favorite races because it's all different types of cars. Here we go, doing quite well. No one in front or behind me. Oh, and I run straight off into someone. Oh, straight through another car. Oh, doing well there. Want to know how I got these scars? It's because I'm running through all these cars. Why did I go from Heath Ledger to Jack Nicholson? Why so serious? Oh, now my car's flaming. Now my car's flaming up just a little. Oh no, that was a go-kart. Oh, nice cornering there. Oh, bit of a smash and crash. Oh no. Coming around another corner. Oh, took out that one almost. Oh, round the harvester. Is it harvest time? No, because you've smashed out. Coming around. There's two sharp bends each race, each lap. Here we go. Oh, getting around there, doing all right. I really wish I could make this into the Batmobile. Oh, straight into a bloody wagon. Damn you. Here we go, the front of the car. Oh, straight into the wall. Damn it. Oh, down to 3 wheels and I'm sparking up. What am I gonna do? Oh, no more sparks. This is cool. This car race has the best damage of any car race I've ever had. So much fun, Wreckfest. So much fun. I'm having a great time. Come on. Hit that corner. Oh, no. I wish I could turn this into the Bat Pod, like the motorbike from The Dark Knight, my favorite Batman movie. Oh, look at that front wheel wobbling away. What am I supposed to do? Alfred, help me. What am I supposed to do? Oh, straight into the wall again. Damn it. I can't corner properly. Oh, that one wasn't too bad. Quite surprised, really. On 3 wheels. Doing okay. Here we go. Oh, that's not good. That's gonna hurt in the